how to really quickly and easily expand your reach, your leads, your sales, and your followers on your social media accounts using TekMatix. Yes, TekMatix has a social media scheduler. You go to marketing and emails, and it will take you to the social planner up here. There is a link here for you to connect all of your social media accounts. If you need help with that, do reach out to support by going to our website and clicking on the support link. You can book a free call with one of our tech experts to help you get those connected. You're going to click on add a new post, create a new post, and then choose which of your accounts you want this particular post to go out to. You'll see a preview on the right hand side. If you've added multiple accounts, you'll be able to click on each of the preview buttons for each of the different social media channels to see what that post will look like. But what if you don't know what to post? Well, glad you've asked. We have got a little tutorial for you on how to use ChatGPT to create your social media content really, really quickly. So log into your ChatGPT account, and here is a prompt that you may like to try. You want to write something like, I help, and then fill in who you help. The actual target audience. Are they business owners? Are they women over 50? Are they C-level executives? Are they stay-at-home mums, right? I help who do what? Make candles, do their Facebook advertising, fly planes, right? Whatever it might be. Please give me 20 tips that will help those people get certain result, and write them all in, and then give them the tone that you want. So I put casual, helpful. You might like it to be funny or professional, or whatever type of feel you want it to be. Social media posts. Include emojis. Insert the call to action at the end to get them to, and then do you want to send them to a lead magnet, or do you want them to follow you? What is the call to action you want it to have? Pop it in and let's see what it says. And it's hopefully going to give us all of our social media content. Here we go. So I'm just going to pause this while this pumps this out for us. All right, so it's basically pumped out a whole bunch of social media posts. So let's pretend I like that one. Simply copy that, go back over to the social media scheduler and paste it in. And so from there, you might want to edit if you wanted, blah, blah, blah. You must get inspired by my free, and then I might want to change that, course creation. Now you can also add in your images. You can also add in videos just by clicking on these two and uploading them. You can also start creating hashtag groups as well. So I might like to create a group called course creation. So every time I post about course creation, I already have a bunch of hashtags such as course creator. I don't have to keep writing them in like every single time, basically. Hashtag course creation tips. You get the point. So I can just create this, save it, and then every time I create a post about course creation, that is going to already be there. So I could go to the course creation and boom, apply. So it's going to make posting much easier for you guys as well. I didn't actually insert that, did I? Let's press that and apply. And now my hashtags have been added in. You can also use the AI generator here if you want to, instead of going to ChatGPT. And you can even pre-fill the first comment that comes up. And boom, we now have our post. Press drop down over here, schedule post, and now you can choose the day and the time. Don't forget to check the time zone that post will go out. As soon as you press schedule post, that content will then be scheduled. Now I'm going to leave this because it's just a demo, but over here inside Planner, this is where you'll be able to see all of your social media posts that are due to go out on what particular days. You can also schedule those posts from this place here too. So I'm like, oh no, there's nothing on the 12th. I can click here and it will automatically schedule for the 12th. If you need any help, you've got the little chat box on the bottom right hand side of your screen if you want to chat to one of our tech experts. Alternatively, go to support page on the TekMatix website and you can book a call with a tech expert there. Happy teching!